In a previous exercise, we used two outputs to display both our first name and our last name. We can actually achieve a similar result with a single console.log instruction. We already know that we can combine a variable with some text using the plus symbol. In fact, we can use this to display as many variables as we'd like. Take a look at this piece of code. There's quite a lot going on with that console.log instruction. Let's break it down together. The first part of our message is the text, "Your first name is." Next, the computer will notice it needs to add the value of the variable first name to the message, so it'll check its memory. After this, the computer adds the next piece of text, "Your last name is," and the value of the variable last name. All of this outputs the final message, "Your first name is edu, your last name is code." As you can see, we can add as many things as we want to a single console.log instruction. To do so, we simply place a plus symbol between every element we want to combine. Notice that the computer can tell the difference between regular text and a variable from the quotation marks. If there are quotation marks enclosing one or more words, then the computer will output the words as is. On the other hand, if there are no quotation marks, the computer will replace the variable with its value before it outputs the final message. Let's try this ourselves. In the code editor, replace the first question mark with the text, "Your last name is," and the second question mark with the variable last name. Once you're done, hit Run Code and pay close attention to the output of the program.